Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So in the last episode we were doing a bit of sandblasting and it was quite slow. So I bring an improvement today. This, a new nozzle, and I will show you the difference shortly. But let's just say that the diameter of the old nozzle, sandblasting nozzle, is well, big, far too big to be effective. So I will get changed and prepare, and then I will catch up with you again. So here we have the two sandblasting nozzles. This is the old one. You can even see that it's no longer round in one plane. It's going down a bit. And the new one. Just it's hard to get both, but you see that the diameter of the old one, it's starting smaller but then becomes bigger and bigger, but it's still not as small as the new one, so I expect some big improvements. Perhaps if the compressor were able to put out a bit more airflow, then this could have lived longer, or if the user had some more patience. And this is what we will be starting with. I think we will start with this one, just so that we can, if it works well with the sandblasting, then we will see a big difference. So I think we will even surpass this one in the result, which would be nice to see. So I will start the compressor and start sandblasting. So after that short time, we have this result. How cool is that? So it's too dusty, but yeah, the nozzle was the problem, so I will continue. But it's good to see that it worked. So confirmed, fixed. Let's go. So this is the one that I've been working on today. I haven't touched this one today, and when they are turned in this direction, the difference is not extreme. There are some areas that haven't been touched, but also here, for example, this type of rust was very hard to remove. There is still some left here, but far less. So I will turn them around as well. And here is where you will see the big difference. So I cleaned out all these sort of hard to reach areas. Even down here, there is a little bit left, especially, I'm not sure what kind of goo it is. Oops. That bearing might not be very happy now. But on the other one that I haven't worked on today, you can see that basically for the same work time, I haven't been able to remove as much. So the nozzle made a big difference. And yes, I'm replacing the bearing and the seal and so on. The only thing I don't know what I will do about are these sort of dust thingies, dust protector thingies. Not sure what I will do. Yeah, eventually there will be a way. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with this, so I'm gonna end this episode on a positive note. So it's going in the right direction, and as you have noticed by now, I don't include all the footage of me sandblasting because that's not fun. So these sandblasting episodes will be shorter, but hopefully I can mix them up a bit. But anyway, we are progressing, so perhaps we will have a rolling Supra by summer, one can hope. But until the next episode, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.